This conference will now be recorded.
So in any programming language, if you go to validations, validation is expectation of specific values. For example, age 1 to 100 should be the range. It should not be a negative integer value. Those are the restrictions that we apply. Those are validations of your application expectation. Any programming language, we have two types of validation. One is client-side validation. Second one is server-side validation. What is meant by client here? Someone please tell me, what do you mean by client? What do you mean by client?
Request does not
No, one person please.
Particular
What
end
is
user who is using the application.
I'm not asking about human. I'm asking about application. Within the application, what is client? For the application,
Browser.
what is client?
Browser.
How humans interact with application? By browser. So browser is client. Server means application server. So here, for us, the application server which is running is, what is the application server? Tomcat server. Tomcat application server is running here with us. For us, it is Tomcat. It can be Tomcat or it can be WebSphere or WebLogic, anything. So our PRPC is running here on Tomcat application server. Client means HTML browser and server means any application server on which your application is running. So client side validation and server side validation, two types of validations. What is meant by client side means your validation will get executed on HTML or within the JavaScript of browser. Means, for example, you click on a button, just refreshing. On click of button, you are refreshing the screen. Refreshing the screen means what will happen? If you refresh a screen, any screen, you go to the screen and refresh it. What will happen? Your entire browser related HTML, JavaScript, all this. Where is it? This is the code, HTML, Java, browser related stuff. When you refresh the browser, that browser screen related HTML coding, JavaScript coding, everything will be reloaded again. That means this refresh is happening only on up to the browser level, That is called client side execution. Means on refresh of the UI, something gets executed in the HTML and what is the other one? JavaScript or HTML JavaScript, which is client side execution, browser side execution. See, if your validation happens on refresh of the user interface, then that is called client side validation. What is meant by server side validation? Let me tell you. Okay, I'm typing here Pega. So now I click on Google search. What happens? From this browser, request will go to Google server, actual Google server. So this parameter of Pega will be sent from my browser to actual Google server, and Google server has responded back with some results here. Now, the action that will be performed on click of submit or some button, request will go back to server. Server will validate the string which you have sent. Is it a valid string or not? Let's say, for example, here in this case, validation is happening at the server. Once the server receives the data, it will validate something there, and accordingly it will respond back to the client again. So the validation is happening now at the server side, application server side. That is called server side validation. This is a generic concept irrespective of Pega. In any technology, we have this type of validations: client side validation and server side validation. Client side validation means a validation on some properties or some variables that runs on refresh of the UI. And server side validation means the validation gets executed when requests go back to application server and validation happens and the response comes back to the browser. The validation is happening at the application server. That is called server side validation. Make sense, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now in PRPC also we have these two type of validations. We have these two types of Validations, client side and server side. Validations can be created in Pega by rules. What are those rules? Let me tell you.